Bathed in the warm glow of a summer morning, the house buzzes with the excited energy of children preparing for a trip. Small hands eagerly stuff toys and snacks into brightly colored bags, their laughter filling the air. The living room pulses with life as the extended family gathers, united by the promise of a grand zoo adventure. A colorful family chart comes to life, each cartoon avatar a testament to the 40 souls embarking on this epic quest. Uncles, aunts, cousins, grandparents, and friendly neighbors huddle together, their collective energy amplifying the anticipation for the wild expedition ahead. The family's joyful preparations are interrupted by the sudden, unexpected ring of the doorbell. A familiar face greets them at the entrance, their elder cousin, a beacon of warmth from a distant city. Cheers erupt as the family embraces their cousin, their enthusiasm filling the air with joy. With irresistible enthusiasm, they insist he join their adventure, their collective excitement palpable. Zoo-bound family bursts with life. Uplifting melodies pour from the vehicles, mingling with the engine's hum. Hearty laughter erupts from the elders, their jokes weaving through the open air. Snacks and smiles are freely shared as the family drinks in the stunning countryside. An endless line of eager visitors snakes toward the zoo entrance. Undeterred, the family's faces beam with anticipation. Tickets in hand, they receive colorful maps. They finally step through the gate, ready to explore. The family stands in hushed anticipation near the lion's cage, a moment of quiet before the storm. A thunderous roar shatters the silence, sending the children scrambling behind their parents in fear. Amidst the echoing roars, the mothers share a chuckle, while a small cousin puffs out their chest, mimicking the lion's powerful call. Inside the monkey house, laughter and chaos fill the air as monkeys swing freely. A daring monkey attempts to snatch a packet of chips, sparking a comical commotion. A cousin playfully sticks his tongue out, triggering a mirror response from one cheeky monkey. In the expansive elephant zone, colossal elephants revel in the cool waters, their playful splashes delighting onlookers. An elephant playfully sprays water, its gentle shower evoking a burst of laughter from a cousin. Children extend sugarcane stalks, their eyes sparkling with joy as the elephant's trunks gently accept their gifts. A cousin, caught in the magic of the moment, mimics an elephant's walk, his imaginary trunk swinging with childlike glee. The family steps into a world bursting with life, vibrant with the colors of parrots, peacocks, and macaws, where exotic calls fill the air. A cacophony of exotic bird calls fills the air as a parrot squawks a greeting. Hello, the cousins, eager and hopeful, begin engaging with the birds, seeking any response. Cold-blooded creatures lurk behind glass, sending shivers through the reptile house. Lizards bask under artificial sun, their stillness a deceptive mask. Crocodiles rest like ancient sentinels, their gaze fixed and unblinking. Amidst the silent predators, cousins feign dramatic collapses, shattering the quiet with exaggerated theatrics. Beneath the generous shade of a sprawling tree, a vibrant picnic blanket awaits, laden with sandwiches, samosas, and colorful juice boxes. Laughter fills the air as the family shares jokes and stories. Dada, with a twinkle in his eye, launches into a particularly amusing joke. "Oh, Dada, that's the funniest thing I've heard all week," Dottie cries, wiping tears of joy from her eyes. The family meanders through the mesmerizing underwater world, each member captivated by the vibrant dance of marine life. The younger children's faces radiate pure joy, their reluctance to depart a testament to the enchanting spectacle. In a burst of playful energy, the family gathers, their faces contorted in silly poses for a memorable group photo. The family waves goodbye, hearts full of joy and memories. Cars and bikes stream away from the zoo, a river of families flowing into the sunset. Inside each vehicle, weary smiles tell tales of a day well spent, hearts full of animal wonder. The weight of unspoken emotions hangs heavy in the air. The house stands silently under the starlit sky, filled with sweet memories of a zoo adventure. The house stands silently under the starlit sky, filled with sweet memories of a zoo adventure.